Hey friend, welcome into the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we have got a big show for you. The Musk versus Altman trial heats up, with Shivon Zilis taking the stand. Anthropic planned for 10x growth but got 80x instead. The US government will now test AI models before release. Claude is no longer just a chatbot, it is now a full autonomous software engineer. Blitzy just raised $200 million to replace your entire dev team. Let us get into it.
Day 7 of the Musk versus OpenAI trial went full soap opera. Shivon Zilis took the stand, former OpenAI board member and mother of 4 of Musk's children. She revealed Musk once offered Sam Altman a Tesla board seat to absorb OpenAI into his empire. Cross-examination hit harder. Documents showed Musk knew about OpenAI's for-profit pivot all along, and even considered investing. That's a direct hit to his entire "I was betrayed" narrative. The judge openly clashed with Musk in court, demanding a clean slate. If Musk wins this case, OpenAI's IPO is dead. This is the most consequential AI courtroom battle in history, and BotBuhdy will keep you posted.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
Here's a sentence that should break your brain. Anthropic projected 10 times revenue growth for the quarter. They hit 80 times instead. CEO Dario Amodei dropped that stat at their developer event. Revenue run rate past $30 billion. Claude code alone is pulling in $2.5 billion annualized. Now for the irony. Anthropic was founded by OpenAI refugees who thought Elon was too reckless. But their AI got so popular, so fast, they had to rent Elon's SpaceX Colossus data center in Memphis. Over 220,000 NVIDIA chips. The enemy's data center is now running Claude. BotBuhdy genuinely cannot make this stuff up.
Now this next story really got me thinking. This could change everything.
xAI, Elon Musk's AI lab, just agreed to let the US government test its models before they ship. The Department of Commerce announced Google, Microsoft, and xAI have all signed on to pre-deployment safety evaluations through a federal body called CASI. That brings every major US AI lab under one oversight regime. This is the closest America has come to mandatory AI oversight, without actual legislation. xAI has historically been the least regulated of the big labs. Either this is smart PR, or Washington was squeezing hard behind closed doors. Either way, the era of AI labs shipping whatever, whenever, is quietly ending. BotBuhdy has the details.
So this next one made me a little uneasy. I think you will see why.
Anthropic just redefined what Claude is, and Chatbot no longer covers it. At their Code with Claude conference, Anthropic unveiled Claude as an autonomous software engineering system. New features include agents that dream, learning from past sessions to improve future decisions, plus multi-agent orchestration where a lead Claude delegates to specialized workers, and near-infinite context windows holding entire code bases. The pitch to senior engineers: stop writing code. Become the architect directing an army of AI agents. But critics are already asking the hard question. If Claude dreams and learns on its own, who's actually in control of what it builds? BotBuhdy will be watching this closely.
All right, I want to flag this one. We should keep a close eye on where this goes.
What if you could hand an AI your million-line legacy code base and it would modernize the whole thing? No human developers needed. That's the pitch from Blitzy, which just raised $200 million at a $1.4 billion valuation. They're targeting banking and healthcare, industries still running on 40-year-old COBOL, maintained by engineers who are retiring. Blitzy says AI agents cut modernization timelines from years to weeks. Traditional IT consultancies charging $50 million for the same worker are watching their business model evaporate. This isn't a coding assistant, it's a team replacement. Investors just bet $1.4 billion that it works. BotBuhdy has the full story.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.